Hi lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's vlog. Today I will be showing you how I cook my carrot rice. You need to watch this video. You don't need to skip any part of this video. Just watch and learn how I cook my carrot rice. It is very delicious. I bet you will never regret watching this video. Just follow me as I do this. So starting, I'm going to add an oil in a pan, add the meat that I've sliced into tiny pieces, add my ginger and garlic, add my seasoning cube and stir. Now I'm adding in some salt. This is curry, powdered curry. It's very important when you are frying your meat. Don't forget to add thyme. Stir well to combine. Then leave it to fry. At this point you can see that the water has almost soaked up, so by this time your meat is half already, and here it is ready. So what you have to do now is to scoop it out, take it out from the fire and keep aside. So the next step here is that you're going to get another different pot, transfer the oil which you used to fry your meat into it. You can add up some if that is not enough. Allow it to get hot, then add in some onions. Now you need to allow your onions to fry well to bring out that aroma. It is very necessary when cooking. I'm adding in some ginger and garlic paste. And some pepper. This is grounded red pepper. Now fry the pepper. Add in your carrot, your already grated carrot. Stir to combine properly. At this point you need to check to know if your seasoning and your salt are okay. If they are not okay, you adjust. Now you add in your meat. Then stir well to combine. Make sure everything gets well together. I'm going to adjust with some salt and some curry. I'm adding in my seasoning cube now. I'm going to make sure that everything is well stirred, well combined. Then after that, I'm going to cover it for some minutes, allow it to cook. Not that well, you wouldn't want your carrot to be so soft. Just leave it for about 5 minutes. Come back later, stir again, and at this point you are going to add in your already cooked white rice. Make sure you stir everything, allow it to fry for some minutes, just like the way you do your fried rice. When you must have achieved that, allow it to simmer for some minutes, come back, stir it again, and this time your carrot rice is ready. Your carrot fried rice is ready. All you have to do now is to get a plate and dish it out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.